Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started in today's video. All right, you guys, so today's video, two things I have never done. One, this is a collab video with Tracey. She is Lilith __ Luna on YouTube, Instagram, I think also TikTok. I'm not a big TikToker, but also we're also doing a palette bingo, which I've also never done. So I'm excited / very nervous about how this is going to turn out. But you guys, the main thing is go check out Tracey's channel. She does like some really cool fashion videos. She gets like the coolest clothes, and she also does makeup videos as well. So I think you guys would love her. So go check her channel out. And I need to also, you tell I've never done this before. We're gonna do the Friday the 13th Glamlite palette. We both love Glamlite. Their palettes are amazing, and horror stuff. So we decided to do the Friday the 13th palette, which here is the packaging. Glamlite just nails it with their packaging, and their formulas too are phenomenal. Here's the inside of this beautiful, beautiful palette. And so we decided to do 4 shades. So I have this little, it's called Hey Spinner. So I'm going to put in, because there are 15 shades in the palette. So the highest number is going to be 15, the lowest number is going to be 1. And I think, how do I do this? Okay, so press to spin. And the 4 shades I pick are the numbers that correspond with the shades, or the shades that I have to use in the look. So spin. Okay, it's spinning. And it landed on, also I'm gonna have to like take notes because y'all know I can't remember crap. Shade number 1, how do I get 1 for the first spin? Okay, so that is this first shade. Then it's gonna be Jason Lives right here. So I'm going to text that and like a little message to myself because I forget things. So 1, Jason Lives. Okay. Now, let's go to the next spin. Here we go, we're spinning. And so let's say 13. So, okay, so 13 is the shade J Voorhees right here. Now, yes, I had to text that to myself because I will forget. Okay, so we have 2 more shades to pick. So here we are spinning. I hope this shows up okay on camera, by the way. I'm sorry if it doesn't. I just want you guys to get like the full effect. 4. Okay, so that is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. The shade Masked, which is this shade right here. So let me put that in a little text to myself so I don't forget. 4, oops, 4. Okay, we have one more shade. Like, if this is gonna be like all matte, y'all know I'm more of a shimmer girl, so that's gonna be funny. And we are spinning. Seven. All right, that gave me another shimmer. 5, 6, 7. So the shade Summer Camp right here. No. Yes, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, that's right. So it's the shade Summer Camp. All right. So all right, you guys. So that's what we're working with. Okay. So the shimmer shades are pretty similar. So I'm thinking I might just like pat down the mattes and then do like a shimmer on top, like with each eye. Is that cheating? Let's just get started. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna start packing down the shade J Voorhees, which was this one right here. We're just gonna see what happens. Yeah, so have you guys ever done like a palette bingo or anything like this? I'm just curious because this is my first time doing it. So I hope I can do this justice. Or I guess I could just put a little bit of shimmer like in the center of the lid. This is a really, really pretty shade. I do really enjoy this. Very, very pretty. I just totally accidentally dipped into the wrong shade for a second, so let me clean off the brush. Okay, I want to just take like a brush with nothing on it and just kind of like blend out the edges just a little bit. So let's take this brush, make sure it's cleaned off, there's nothing on it, and then I'm just gonna kind of like blend that out a little bit, just a little bit. I'm just trying to decide. I think I'm just gonna put like a little bit of like the shimmer just in the center of the eye. I don't know what happened. My glitter glue somehow just... Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I just had this like epiphany. I was like, I should have just done like a halo eye if I was just gonna do the glitter in the center of the eye, but that's okay. It's no big deal. So I'm just gonna take like a teeny tiny little bit of this glitter glue and I'm gonna put it like on the center of the eye. And I'll just see how I feel about the shimmer shade being just in the center. I'm sure it'll be fine. I just love this shade. It's like such a pretty like dark green blue shade. It's just like, it's greenish, but it looks like it's got like a hint of blue. It's just really, really pretty. So I think for this eye, oh, and I guess I'm gonna do two separate eyes too, because that's usually what I do. So I hope that's not cheating, because I'm just gonna use the shades that I was allowed to use. So yeah, hopefully that's okay. I've never done this before. So, okay. So I have, my choices for the shimmers were Jason Lives or Summer Camp. Let's do Summer Camp, which is this one. Whoop, right there. And I'm just gonna put it in the center of the eye. That's actually really, really pretty. I really like this. Okay. Very, very, very pretty. Okay. I like that. I like that a lot. So for the lower lash line then, I'm gonna take the shade Masked and put that on the lower lash line. So again, Masked, this shade right here. All right. And then for that lower inner corner highlight, because I always do one, we'll just take the shade Jason Lives right there. Okay, I would say this is pretty good for a first try at the palette bingo for one eye. I think that worked out. Now we'll do the other eye. And we'll just kind of do the same thing, but with the other two shades. So again, so I'm gonna take Masked now and just put that all over this eye. Just start stamping it down. Palette just does not want to stay still. Keeps trying to jump off my table. Man, it is getting windy. Last night we had like a tornado watch until 4 a.m. so I did not sleep well. It's like, that's one of the main things I hate about the Midwest is just the constant like middle of the night tornado warnings, watches. I mean, just in general, not a tornado fan, but it's even worse when they go like all night long. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take, just kind of like I did with the other eye, I'm just gonna take a brush with nothing on it and just kind of like blend out the edges just a wee bit. Okay, and now I'm going to, I might go back in and touch up the shade J Voorhees over here. But first, let's get this other eye done. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the glitter glue, just a tiny little bit, put it in the center of the eye, or close to the center of the eye. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm gonna take the other shimmer shade, which was Jason Lives. So this one right here, and just put it in the center of the eye. So I do want to go in and just kind of touch up the outer corners. So I'm going to start with the shade J Voorhees. Just kind of touch that up just a little bit. And then just a little bit of the shade Masked as well. Just want to make sure that the outer corners just stay nice and dark. Okay, I think we're good there. I might want to add just a smidge more of the shade Summer Camp on this eye. Okay. I think we're good. Think we are good. Now I'm going to do the lower lash line over here. And then I'm just going to take that shade J Voorhees and use it for this lower lash line. And then I'm going to take, for my lower inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shade Summer Camp, which is this one right here. So essentially for both looks, I did the same thing, but different, and used all 4 shades in both looks. All right, you guys, so I don't know, I like it, I like it. So I am going to go do my mascara, clean up, just, I always get a little crazy when I stamp on the deep shades, so I do have some fallout I need to clean up. And then when I get back, I do have the Friday the 13th highlight as well. We'll put some of that on and just do the final look. And I'll be right back, you guys. All right, you guys, so I am back. We're just gonna go ahead and, if I can get this open, put on some of that highlighter. It's just the Glamlite Friday the 13th highlighter. Again, packaging, awesome. Glamlite nails it every time. And here is the highlighter. It's absolutely, absolutely beautiful. And we're just gonna put some of this on, because why not? It's like the most beautiful blue, like iridescent shade. I absolutely love it. All right. And then I always do like an extra little shot of setting spray. So I've got the, again, Glamlite Rick and Morty setting spray here. I love this. It has the most refreshing scent. Okay. Whew. Feels like so nice. All right, so you guys, these are the finished looks with my Palette Bingo collab with Lilith Luna. I'll have a link to her channel down below, and it was with the Friday the 13th Glamlite Camp Crystal Lake palette. Here's the inside of the palette one last time, and here are the looks that I created. And I do have to say, I don't think this was too bad for my first palette bingo. I got lucky, 2 mattes, 2 shimmers is perfect, everything that I need to create a look. So if you were here from Tracey's channel, thank you so much for checking out this video. Please consider subscribing, sticking around, check out some other videos. If you are just a normal viewer of my channel, please go check out Tracey's channel and show her some love and subscribe to her channel. And yeah, you guys, just thank you for all the love and support. Remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, you are amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.